Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. As you can see, I've been joined by Finn. Today we're starting a restoration of a tool. So I picked this weird looking spanner. I've not seen anything like this before. A couple of weeks ago. Yes, hello Finn. Really like the shape of it. Really solidly made. If anyone knows what this might have been used for, let me know. It's just a quick adjustable spanner. So first job, get the rust off it. So I'm going to get some white vinegar and strip this down and get it in soaking for a couple of days first, and then we'll give it a grind down and a tidy up so we can get it looking a bit better, and it'll go and live with all the other spanners. So first job, white vinegar. Cheers. Right, so it was on the bench, so let's get this thing stripped down. Let's get that out of the way. So what have we got? Oh yeah, it's filthy. That you can see all the marks in there that were holding it in. So teeth look reasonable. Angled. So that's that. That's looking a bit suspect. Hopefully that will go back in. A bit well worn, like it's been taken apart before. Get the fin, this has had a bit of a tough life. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully. Those screw threads, we'll try and tidy those up with a file, I think. Other than that, everything seems reasonably okay. So, obviously this needs to go into a bath of. Tidy up at this. Obviously it's not going to fit, is it? Right, let's see if we can find something bigger to put this in. 1 second. Okay, so I found something bigger than this. Just emptied the tool chest out, so this will do. A bit. Just going to grab some white vinegar. I used this last time, so that's why it's a bit discoloured. Do another tool. I just hope this doesn't leak. Oh, my workshop's gonna stink. Right. Leave that for a few days and we'll come back to it. So it's been a good few days later. I think it's been 5 days this has been in here for. So let's give it a clean up with a toothbrush and see how clean we've got this. So these are cleaned up quite well. They've had a wash off with water, and you see most of the rust has come off the surface. I was originally going to use a flap disc on these to clean them up. See, they're a bit battered, but I think what I'm going to do instead is use a multi-tool with like a wire wheel on it, just to clean the surface up and see if we can get into these bits here and around here. Obviously there's some damage there, but I'm not too bothered about that. I'll get a file in here and on these to try and clean these threads up as well at some point. I'll get in here and get all the crap out of there. So let's get my multi-tool out and get on with that. Doesn't turn out too bad. I'm just going to try and get in here with some files just to clean it up. I'm going to give these threads a bit of a tidy up with this. See if we can get a bit cleaner. Will do. As we can see it clearly, but it's much tidier. Right, next job is to put these onto a buffing wheel because I'm quite happy with this. It turned out there's quite a lot of patina on it. There's quite a lot of marks and stuff around, I think, from the castings, and it has been well used. This, I think, it's come up quite well. It'll do for what I need, because I'll just use it for actually working or going to the workshop toolbox with everything else. So I just need to remember how this went together. What do you think? I think that's turned out quite well. So hopefully the W20 will give it a coating, but I'm quite happy with that. I say I'll put an image of what it looked like before in a minute, and I'll just do a quick shot of both of them before and after. But I say it's got some Easterbrook East. What's at the end there? Easterbrook patent. I can't quite make that out at the moment. But 43, is it Allcard? Yeah, Eastern Allcard by the looks of it. But say if you know what this was for, then comment in the comments below. I must admit, I do quite like this casting and the way it's showing its age. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. If you did, please like and subscribe. There will be some more tool restorations coming up. Cheers and thanks for watching.